PLATONE is a platform for augmenting cities with high-precision spatial audio experiences. Based on our prior research, the accurate reproduction of audio environments with open-back headphones is feasible, even with non-personalized HRTF models. However, to generate immersive spatial audio on a city scale, the 3D geometry of the environment must be considered, as it drastically changes how sound reaches the listener. Implementing Project PLATEAU 3D data enabled us to simulate sound propagation at city scale. The result is a shareable dataset that can be layered on top of existing Project PLATEAU data. For accurate audio spatialization, precise position and orientation is also needed. We therefore developed a wearable high-precision position and orientation tracking prototype, which mounts to a pair of headphones modified to let all external sounds through. Positional tracking is achieved using RTK GNSS, which is capable of centimeter-grade accuracy and is also exceptional for visually impaired navigation. For orientation tracking, a 9DOF IMU is implemented to provide absolute orientation in any outdoor environment. Combined with our low-latency cloud rendering system, this platform serves as a powerful resource for future city interactions, empowering designers and communities to create new and innovative applications.